The history of herbs. Flaxseed. Flaxseed, also known as common flax or linseed, is a flowering plant that is cultivated as a food and fiber crop. Flax is grown for its seeds, which can be ground into meal or turned into linseed oil, which is used as a nutritional supplement, and flax fibers, which are traditionally used for bed sheets, underclothes, and table linen. The earliest evidence of humans using wild flax as a textile comes from the present-day Republic of Georgia, where spun, dyed, and knotted wild flax fibers found in the cave date to the Upper Paleolithic period, or 30,000 years ago. Flax was cultivated extensively in ancient Egypt, where the temple walls had paintings of flowering flax, and mummies were embalmed using linen. Phoenicians traded Egyptian linen throughout the Mediterranean, and the Romans used it for their sails. Europe and North America both depended on flax for plant-based cloth until the 19th century, when cotton overtook flax as the most common plant for making rag-based paper. Flax seeds occur in two basic varieties or colors, brown or yellow. Most types of these basic varieties have a similar nutritional characteristics and equal numbers of short-chain omega-3 fatty acids. Yellow flax seeds, called soyalin, have a similar oil profile to brown flax seeds, and both are very high in omega-3s. Flax seeds produce a vegetable oil known as flaxseed oil or linseed oil, which is one of the oldest commercial oils known to man. Flax seeds are 7% water, 18% protein, 29% carbohydrates, and 42% fat. In 100 grams, 3.5 ounces as a reference amount, flax seeds contain high levels, 20% or more, of the daily value of protein, dietary fiber, several B vitamins, and dietary minerals. Flax seeds are especially rich in thiamine, magnesium, and phosphorus. A meta-analysis showed that consumption of more than 30 grams of flaxseed daily for more than 12 weeks reduced body fat. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.